Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Meg today, and I'm just teaching you how to do a simple mirror effect nail using one of our xoxo polishes. So to begin, you want to pick your choice of base colour, and today I just went with Sugar Cookie because I really wanted the mirror effect design to stand out. So you'll see me here just applying Sugar Cookie, which is a really light creamy nude. It's almost verging on like a bit of a magnolia wall colour, you know, like when you back in the day used to walk into your friend's house and all the walls were magnolia. It's kind of giving that undertone, but it doesn't actually look like that. It's just got that like slightly yellowy peachy undertone to it, which is really lovely for the summer if you just want a really fresh, nice light nude. So yeah, I'm just going in here now with the second coat. Once I've done that and I've cured everything and it's all smooth, look at that, so yummy and gorgeous. I'm then going to go in with our matte top coat, which is fabulous. I'm just going to place a nice light even coat of that all over the nail, and that will be our base done. Then we can move on to the next section. So guys, this is Cracked Ice, which is one of our xoxo gel polishes. As you can see, it's kind of like an icy blue. Obviously says it on the tin, but it's a lovely colour. It's very versatile, I think, because it does have a slightly silvery undertone to it. It's not too intensely blue, that if you do want to put a jelly colour on top to give it a different coloured tint but still have the xoxo effect, then it's really doable. I have done it in a couple of my other videos where I applied blue over the top and it worked really well. So you can see here I've placed it down, and now I'm just going to use my magnet before I cure it to move the particles around. You sort of want to use your magnet quite quickly, I would say, around this area. You don't want to hang on to an area too long because it will draw the particles away, or too close to where you are holding it, depending on obviously where you want it to sit. So you just want to basically go in a circular motion around the area that you have put the xoxo on, which just shines it up a little bit, gets the product moving, warms it up, and then you can just, I suppose, what's the word I'm looking for? Once you've got it warmed up, you can then basically focus, that's the word, focus on certain areas and the design that you want out of your xoxo. So today it was more about making it look like a mirror, like a reflection from the mirror. That's just obviously the design I was going for, so that's what we did today. And as you can see here, it does work beautifully with the magnet, so I'm just shining it up on those corners and I'm getting a really nice effect there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then cure it. Next, my lovelies, we have the nail tip gel adhesive, which I use in almost every video now, as you know. I've just rolled out a little piece there, straight from the bottle, and I'm just popping it down on either side of the mirror. I've just done the same on the other side as well, you'll see in a second. And I'm just using my silicone sculpting tool just to move it around and get it nice and smooth and blend the two sides together, which you'll see in a second. I personally just find using a silicone tool with this product is a lot easier where you can and if you can, because it doesn't stick. And it allows the product to move around very evenly and smoothly. So here you can see I'm just adding the 3D effect. Obviously you don't have to do this, you could just draw the edge of your mirror, but I just wanted to show a couple of different of our I can't talk tonight, a couple of different products of ours within one video. And do remember guys that if you are interested in purchasing any of the products that we use in any of the videos, not even just mine, but any of the other girlies videos, then please check out the description box below each video that you're interested in, because that will link all of the products that were used in those videos for you to just go ahead and purchase on the website. And also make sure to leave me a comment, because I like to see your comments. I do read them, even if it's just one, it makes my day. So next thing is curing that 3D gel, obviously, and then I've gone ahead here and been quite clever because, well, I thought I was being clever because I couldn't quite figure out what I could use apart from this sort of circle piece here in one of our decal pots to create the effect of the oh, what's it called, like the edge of the mirror, that embedding, what's it called, embedding? No. Oh my god, if you know the word I'm looking for, please comment it down below, because I literally don't know what I'm trying to say. Embroidered, not embroidered, it's, oh god, that's going to kill me now. But I will also just return back to the section where I said that I'd cured that 3D gel. I hadn't. I do apologise. I hadn't cured it. I did the pattern in it first, then I cured it. Now I'm obviously going in with our silver holographic chrome pen, which is really easy to use. You just rub it on. We've got these in loads of different colours, and I'm just going to finish it with a sponge, which is what I tend to do with all of my chromes, regardless of if they're on a pen or not. I just find that it gets rid of any excess and it comes on really smoothly. So I'm just going to do that now, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of glue and some fine silver beads just to finish off the end result, because I got a little bit lost as to what to do with it. I could have just left it as it is, but I thought let's just add a little bit more bling. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll be back at the end. There you go guys, that's the finished result. Really easy. It's just a simple 3D design. Obviously it could be incorporated into any form of nail, like mystic nails, sort of whimsical fairy, that kind of stuff, fairy tale nails. But I just wanted to show you how you can incorporate 2 or 3 different products of ours into one, and to make something quite cute like this. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you've got any comments or questions below, make sure to leave them and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already guys, then please do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.